In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly record a video using Loom. First, let's begin by setting up Loom. To start, you'll want to create a free Loom account if you haven't already. This is a straightforward process that requires just a few clicks. Once your account is created, you can choose to download the Loom desktop app, which is available for both Windows and Mac OS users. If you prefer to use your browser for recording, you can install the Loom Chrome extension. This allows you to capture video directly through your browser without needing to download additional software. For those who are always on the go, Loom also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, giving you flexibility in how you choose to record. With Loom set up, you'll need to decide what content you want to capture. When you open Loom, you'll be greeted with a screen offering several options. You can choose to record your screen only, which is perfect for tutorials or presentations where screen details are crucial. Within this option, you can select the full screen, a specific window, or a custom region depending on what you need. If you'd like to add a personal touch to your videos, consider the Screen plus Camera option, which presents a picture-in-picture format featuring both your screen and your webcam. Lastly, if you're focused solely on delivering a speech or message, you can select Camera Only, which records your webcam without capturing your screen. Before hitting the record button, make sure to select your preferred microphone and camera sources. You can also adjust additional visual settings if needed, such as highlighting mouse clicks or adding speaker notes, which can enhance your video. Once you're ready to record, simply click the record button. You'll see a 3-second countdown before Loom begins to capture your selected inputs. While recording, you have some handy features at your disposal. You can pause and resume the recording at any time, which is especially useful if you need a moment to gather your thoughts or take a quick break. If you make a mistake or wish to start over, there's no need to exit the recording session. Loom allows you to restart without any hassle. Additionally, the drawing tool is a helpful feature for emphasizing specific areas on your screen, making your video more engaging and informative. When you've finished recording, click Stop. Loom will automatically upload your video to your Loom library, ensuring that your content is securely saved. After your recording is complete, Loom immediately takes you to the video preview page. Here, you can fine-tune your video by trimming the start or end to ensure it's polished and professional. If you have multiple clips, Loom lets you stitch them together seamlessly, helping you create a cohesive final product. You can also annotate your video with arrows, text, or even reactions to add more context or emphasize key points. For those using supported plans, you can enable AI-generated transcripts or summaries, which are fantastic tools for accessibility and sharing complex content. That's how you record a video using Loom. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating clear and impactful videos with ease.